Why you can still turn around your financial future at 30 plus. Turning 30 often brings a mix of excitement and anxiety, especially regarding finances. If you feel behind on saving, investing, or paying off debt, remember, your 30s are not too late to take control of your financial future. This decade can be a pivotal time for setting yourself up for long-term success. With the right mindset, strategies, and discipline, you can still achieve financial stability and even build wealth. Time is still on your side. While retirement may feel closer than it did in your 20s, you still have decades to grow your savings and investments. Thanks to compound interest, even small, consistent contributions to your portfolio can grow significantly over time. For example, investing just $500 a month with an average annual return of 7% could result in over $500,000 in 25 years. Your 30s bring higher earning potential. Many people in their 30s have more experience and skills than they did in their 20s, making it a great time to negotiate a higher salary. With increased earnings, this is also the right time to focus on reducing high-interest debt, which can free up more money for savings and investments. A higher income allows you to increase your savings rate, significantly improving long-term financial security. Financial discipline is easier to maintain. By your 30s, you have likely learned valuable financial lessons from past mistakes, allowing you to make more informed decisions. Creating a clear financial plan with realistic goals can help you stay focused on long-term success. Building an emergency fund provides financial security and reduces stress in the face of unexpected expenses. Developing multiple income streams can further protect you against financial setbacks and increase overall stability. Investing and wealth building can start now. Your 30s are an excellent time to begin making strategic investment decisions that will grow over time. Investing in stocks and index funds can be a great way to accumulate long-term wealth. Buying real estate can provide passive income and long-term financial security. Contributing to retirement accounts, especially those with employer-matched contributions, can significantly boost your savings. Additionally, starting a side business or freelancing can create additional revenue and financial diversification. Focus on long-term goals. It is important to avoid comparing yourself to others and instead focus on your personal financial journey. Setting realistic and achievable financial goals, such as buying a home, starting a family, or planning for retirement, can help you stay motivated. Developing a clear financial plan and take consistent actions. Your 30s are a time of immense financial potential. With focus, discipline, and a commitment to learning, you can turn your financial situation around and build a future filled with security, freedom, and opportunity. It is never too late to take the first step.